What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over some cool stuff, you guys. This is cool stuff, all right? No major construction going on, no major auto repairs going on. We're just going over some cool stuff for your garage, all right? Or for inside your house, however you want to hook up your, your situation. You got some auto bloggers out there that may have their own little room inside their house and they want to put like auto stuff up. So that's what we have here. We have a light, you guys, and it is a check engine light. Of course you should know this because I put everything on the thumbnail. I don't have nothing on my channel yet with surprises. Maybe I might throw up a box and say check what's inside the box and y'all will get a surprise. All right. So I would like to thank everyone out there for subscribing to the channel. I would like to thank you to, I would like to thank you. Yeah, I would like to thank you. I would like to send a thank you to the main supporters out there, the people that comment all the time, correct me when I'm wrong and all of that stuff, And I don't have a big ego, you guys, so if I'm wrong on something, I'm wrong, and that's it. And salute to the people who send rude comments because, that don't bother me either. But I've been around the block long enough. So here we go. The check engine light. Oh, and it's upside down. All right, you guys. So we have the check engine light. And, okay, it was coming off a little bit, but I pushed it back on. Was it coming off? Yeah. Oh, so you could push it in. So this is a push in right here. So you see how, let me get a little closer so y'all can see. So you see how that's coming off a little bit, but that's not a problem because you can easily push that in. So that's no problem. And plus that's a light right there. So you see the little LED lights right there. This is cool. So we do have instructions here. Why do we need instructions? I don't know. I did have the chain and stuff for this. Two drilled holes right here. So you have a drilled hole here. You have a drilled hole right here. So what we're going to do is go ahead and hook this up. Here we have the chain. Usually they have like little sticky things, but I don't want to put no tape on my wall in the garage. I might use my drywall screws. All right, so we could put the bottom of the chain in, and then there you go. Same with this got tangled up, so we're going to take that off. We're going to put the bottom of the chain on right there. All right, now you got two hooks, so you can either hang it up with the chain, or you probably could drill a screw right through here. I'm going to drill it, put it up, and then y'all can see the final lighting show. All right, we have light. Oh, don't fall. All right, so my light was about to fall. All right, here we go. All right, you guys, the auto corner is looking good. The auto corner is looking good right now. Now, the only thing I need is a block. I don't have a block, but I do have my Fiat. I do have the Fiat, the little smart outlet right here, not switch, this Fiat smart outlet right here. What I need to get is another surge protector for this side because I already have one for this side, so I can turn off the electric whenever I need to. All right, you guys, I found the block. Now I'm about to hit the power button, and there you go. Now you have up and down, so I'm going to turn it down. Oh, up. I was upside down. So power is going down. Well, not power. The brightness is down all the way. And then brightness is all the way up. Power and power. I'm going to see if it does anything when I hold power. Let me hold power and see if it does anything. Nope. It don't do anything. All right, so everybody knows what that is. Right now I got the light all the way down. When the light all the way down, you can't really tell, but y'all could kind of see it. Now, if I turn my light off right here, Now I got the light off, and that's with the power all the way down, or the brightness. Am I saying power? The brightness. The brightness is all the way down. Brightness all the way up. It's very responsive when you hit the power button. It's like instant. Now I'm gonna bring it all the way down. When you bring it all the way down, it's more pleasant on the camera. So if you're doing like blogging in like your room, let's say you have like an auto blogging room or whatever, vlogging room, whatever you call it, it's more pleasant to have the lights low, depending on how you have your camera setting. So the way my camera set up is more pleasant to have my brightness all the way down. If the brightness was all the way up, y'all will be like, that's annoying. So that is basically it, you guys. So the only thing I could say is the power button. Y'all see how the power button is like regular here? So when you press up, it's like decreasing, and when you press down, it's increasing. So it's kind of like backwards. All right. So down is to increase. Usually the power symbol, this is like the right side up. Like this is how the power symbol actually look. So in reality, this is how it look when you're actually increasing. So the power button looks like it's going down instead of up. But that's the only thing I can say. In reality, that don't bother me, because more than likely I'm gonna be turning this off with a switch, or I'm gonna have it on a timer to come on at a certain time and stuff like that. So the power button don't really bother me. All right. And this is not app activated or none of that stuff. So you have to press the button to turn it off unless you have a smart outlet. So we have a smart outlet. I can hit a button and turn this off, and that will be it. So that's it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.